What is going on? Welcome to Leave It to Nessa. I am Nessa, and today we are trying out some new products. They are from Urban Hydration, which is a Black-owned natural hair care products. They reached out to me on my Instagram, wanted to send me some of their products for me to try on my hair and share my experience with you. So that's what we're doing today. Now keep in mind, just because they sent me those products does not mean that I will treat them any different than I treat any of the products that I buy with my own money. So you can definitely expect full transparency from this first impression. If you're interested, keep on watching, and you may want to stick all the way to the end because there is going to be a nice little surprise for one of you lucky subscribers. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with this demo first impressions. I'm also going to give you a little update on how my hair has been doing since the last video that I did about the dilemma that I've been dealing with. If you haven't checked out that video yet, I will leave it for you in the info card, but also in the description box. So now I am going to get started with the Honey Health and Repairing Shampoo. This one is said to be paraben-free, sulfate-free. It is healthy. No paraffin, no phthalates, don't know how to say that, sulfate free, and also no silicones and no animal cruelty. Now the highlights are it's supposed to cleanse, hydrate, and repair while adding weightless shine and softness. It has natural honey to draw in moisture, ginger and aloe vera juice to help heal the damage and add additional moisture, vanilla bean extract to add warm scent and help repair the damage. I will quickly go through the first 5 ingredients of the shampoo with you. The first one is water. Then you have coca midopropyl, which is a cleansing ingredient. You have sodium coca amphocetate, which is another cleansing ingredient, but also a foam booster. You also have diesel glucoside, another cleansing ingredient, but this one is mostly used for people with sensitive skin. It is said to be gentle on all hair types. Then you have sodium lauryl sarcosinate. This one is another cleansing ingredient and also foaming agent, which is derived from sarcosin, and also a natural amino acid, which is protein. I did feel the strengthening effect of the shampoo, which helped with keeping my hair from shedding too much. And it also did feel very moisturizing, so I really did enjoy using the shampoo, and my hair was actually gliding very well through my hair, so that's definitely a plus. And you actually get 16.9 fluid ounces of this product for only $10.99. To me, this is a win-win situation. And the last thing is that it has a very mild scent, which is said to be that of vanilla. I could not really tell it was vanilla, but if you are sensitive to scent just like I am, I think you can appreciate the smell of this actual product and also of the entire line. Okay, so now we're moving on to the dip conditioner, which is, by the way, my favorite item that I use from this line. The claims on this dip conditioner are it strengthens, detangles, moisturizes and restores softness, honey for moisture, argan oil controls frizz, promotes hair growth and intensifies shine, sweet vanilla bean extract for damage control, and sulfate free, etc. The first 5 ingredients of this dip conditioner again are water. Then it has glycerin, which is a moisturizer, a humectant, it attracts water. You also have beeswax, which is also used as a moisturizer. It helps retain the moisture in your hair and prevent damage. It also has C1215 alcohol benzoate, which is an emollient and moisturizer. Then we have phenoxyl ethanol. This one is used as a preservative to limit bacteria growth. I distributed the dip conditioner all over my hair and put a plastic cap on and left it on for about 10 minutes. Then I got back in the shower so I could start with detangling my hair. Now remember, I told you this was my favorite product. You are about to see why. This is so easy. Can you see this? It is so easy to detangle your hair. Now, mind you, my hair has been going through it. Now, there is really no hair coming out. Actually, there's no hair coming out on this comb, okay? This comb is gliding through my hair with ease, and I was so impressed. It is super moisturizing, and it is also very strengthening. So I really did enjoy using this dip conditioner. I think this is probably the best product that they have with the line. So we went over my favorite item of the line. Now we're going to talk about my not so favorite item of the line, which is the Leave-In Detangling Spray. So this one comes in a 9.1 fluid ounce bottle, and you get it for $9.99. What I did here is rinsed out half of my hair from the dip conditioner and applied the Leave-In Detangler just so I could test it out and see how it would work. The reason why I'm saying this is one of my not so favorite items is because I feel like I was having a hard time detangling. Like I was running my fingers, running the comb and the brush through my hair, and I was getting some resistance. Now, mind you, there was no hair coming out, so that is a plus, but compared to how I was able to detangle my hair with the dip conditioner and how this one was acting, I did not really like it, and this is not really a product that I would really care to reach for again in the future. Besides that, it is okay. Now, the claims on the Leave-In Detangler are that it refreshes and defines curls, intensely conditions and softens hair, tames frizz and reduces breakage. And the first 5 ingredients here are water. You also have glycerin that we went over a little bit earlier. You also have what's called fructooligosaccharides, which is a conditioning, moisturizing, and also a protective agent. There's also what's called PEG hydrogenated castor oil. This one is an emulsifier, a surfactant, but also used as fragrance. Then the last one here is called styrtamonium chloride. This one is a chemical agent used to stabilize mixtures of oil and water by reducing tension. So again, I was able to detangle my hair, but I did have resistance that I don't really like when I'm using a product to detangle my hair. But there was no hair coming out, so it does have a strengthening effect, just like the rest of the line as well. So after I washed, deep conditioned, and detangled my hair, I moved on to styling, and I'm going to be using the Honey Health and Repair Style Cream. And you will see me pair it with the Laid and Slayed Pro Gel, but we'll talk about this a little bit later. The Style Cream comes in a 8.4 fluid ounce container, and it retails for $8.99. It wasn't really my favorite item to use either because the feel for me was a little bit off. It's not really what I'm used to when I'm using a defining cream for my hair. There's just something about it that I guess I wasn't really understanding. I'm not really sure how to explain it. So yeah, but anyways, the first 5 ingredients of this cream are water, then you have glycerin that we went over already, beeswax that we spoke about as well. You also have PVP, which is polyvinyl pyrrolidone. This one is an emulsion stabilizer. It keeps it from separating. Then we also spoke about the phenol, whatever, I don't know how to say that. But anyways, the claims on this cream are that it's supposed to repair damage, promote hair health, prevent breakage, and tame frizz. It has the honey and argan oil, which is combined to add intense moisture and shine. So combining the cream and the gel wasn't the best idea because, like you guys can see here on the screen, it flaked really bad, like Flake City. reminds me of when I was using the TPH Beauty. So what I did was I decided to give it another try because I actually liked the gel a lot better than I liked the cream. So I decided to use just the gel to style my hair. I just wanted to see how that would work. The gel retails for $5.99 and you get 15.2 fluid ounces. That is wild. The highlights: it is flexible, sleek style with professional hold, honey for moisture and shine, nourishing vitamins A and E to combat dryness, no flaking, no tacky feeling, sulfate, paraben, and dye free. First 5 ingredients: water. You also have what's called carbomer, which is a thickening agent to control the viscosity and the flow of the product. You have the triethylenolamine, we spoke about that, PVP, and the glycerin. So I really did enjoy this gel. To me, it has a very soft hold, but this is the kind of hold that I like when I'm doing a twist out or braid out. Would not use it for a wash and go because it would not be enough unless I were to pair it with something that was a lot stronger. So when I removed it, it actually looked pretty good. The definition to me was very good and my hair was so easy to separate. I did get a little bit of flaking with this, but I think this is those areas where I did not really remove all the excess product. So I would definitely say when you guys are using this gel, try not to use a whole lot because you run the risk of having some flaking, and definitely don't pair it with that cream. It's not going to work for you. Now, I was kind of afraid that I would get flaking again because you can see that the white stuff are just sitting on my hair. So what I'm doing here is using an actual cotton t-shirt, I think that's my husband's shirt, whatever. So I'm using that to kind of remove the excess product from my hair so that I could keep it from flaking. That was my hope. But at the end of the day, I do like this gel. I probably would use it again. Now I'm going to be using the Honey Pro Edge Control. This is for you to lay those edges, for those of you who love to do that. This actually did work pretty well. So you get 1.7 ounce for $4.99. It is said to be non-flaking, no buildup, no sticky residue. First 5 ingredients are water, Citrus 25, which is an emulsifier and also a stabilizer. We went over the castor oil. It also has what's called PEG 7 glycerol cocoate, which is a emollient, a surfactant, and also an emulsifier for oil and water emulsions. And we also spoke about the glycerin already. So this is what my hair ended up looking like. I did like the hold. I did like the definition. I think those are pretty good products. I was also sent the daily moisturizer, but I don't really moisturize my hair daily, so I did not show it here. I probably will use it in the future. So I did announce that I do have a surprise for you. One of you subscribers will get the chance to win all the products that I used here on this video. The rules are, make sure you check the screen. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You also have to be following me on Instagram at LEAVEIT2NESSA. You will comment down below your Instagram handle and let me know why do you feel like you should win this giveaway. Good luck to you all. So that is all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you found this video helpful. I love to hear from you. And also don't forget to check out the description box for all the instructions on today's giveaway. Now, I do have other tutorials, other first impressions on the channel. If you would like to check them out, I will play some for you right here on the screen. And don't forget, we are trying to grow this family to the first 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoyed the content on my channel, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button below, ring the bell so you don't miss out, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in the next one.